Number talk 5. 3 questions once again. We have the question here, multiplication strategies of 31 multiplied by 8. 31 multiplied by 8. Seems pretty big, but remember, if we break them down, it makes it easier for us to complete the answers. So the first question is, what is the product? So we want, again, these are the factors. What's the product? Well, so what's the answer? How did you solve this expression mentally? That's using the thinker. You can have a few ways. I might rattle off one myself that I would use. I'd break it down into tens and ones. So 1 multiplied by 8. 1 times tables are the easiest. It's 8. So now it's an 8. 3 times 8. 8, 16, 24. 24 times 10, because it's in the tens column, 240. So therefore, I would say this answer is 248. Added the 8. So that's 8, and that's 240, because I did it mentally. See? Broke that down. It's in the 10, so multiplied by 10. All you're doing is adding a 0 to the end of the number. Cool. Figured that one out using the old thinker. So that's how I did it. So what would I say? I used split strategy and broke the numbers down. Got 30 multiplied by 8 and 1 multiplied by 8. And I broke the 30 down into 3 times 8 times 10. How many tens are in the first number? Okay, that's obvious. How can knowing this help us determine the solution? Because we can break it, like I did with my mental strategy. I know the tens column, so I know it's going to have a 0 at the end. So 3 of them, 3 in the tens column. 3 times 8, 24. I just added the extra 0 because it's in the tens column. So that's how you can determine it that way. You can figure out that solution that way. How can we solve this expression using multiples of 10? But I already did that. Cool. I just made this so much easier. After solving the first question, you know, breaking it down the way I did, I made the last 2 questions super easy for myself, didn't I? It's the same question. Multiples of 10. 3, 6. No, 3. What? I remove the 10. 3 times 8 equals 24. Then I put the 0 back on the end, 240. And I just added that extra 8 on the end, because it's 1 times 8. You word it better for yourself, but remember, write all the answers down here, and remember, don't forget to do the 1, 2, and 3 to answer them. Let us know your strategies. Look forward to them.